How to use SCORE to register an opportunity. Open a new web page. The website can be found by typing the following address into your browser. Type in your username and password and then press Login. If you are unsure of your username and password, please contact your internal account manager on 08450 747 001. You will then be in the home page of the SCORE website. Along the top section of the SCORE website, you will be presented with a number of different options. The first option on your left-hand side is Log In or Out. This is where you will be able to log out of the SCORE website once you have finished with your browser session. The second option on your left-hand side is My Opportunities. This is where you'll be able to view all of your scores once you've logged them, together with their status against your individual login. To log a new SCORE request, please select the New Opportunities tab. The first section contains mandatory information around the market sector and segment, name of the opportunity, the address, postcode and country. Please ensure that you complete all of this information, including the postcode, to ensure that your request is responded to as quickly as possible. Please note that we will be unable to issue a special bid price or register an opportunity without all of this information. The next section is also mandatory and where we will require the contact details of the end user. Please note that the telephone and mobile sections will only recognise numeric characters. The next section contains the details of the opportunity. Please ensure that you select the vendor from the drop-down bar on the left-hand side and the relevant product if listed from the drop-down menu marked Product. Please also ensure that you manually type in the quantity in the box marked Quantity. You will then have to hit Add to ensure that your selections have been recorded. If you have more than one vendor and product to choose from, you will need to add additional vendor choices in the same way. If the vendor or products that you are requesting are not on the drop-down menus, then please add the vendor and product information in the free field text box marked Products. The next section requests information from you regarding the work that you have done with the end user. Please put as much information into this section as you can, including any site surveys, demonstrations, as well as any previous sales that you may have had into the end user. Please make sure that you complete this section, as failure to do so may result in delays in getting a response from Steljes. The next section requests information around the competition involved in the opportunity. Please include any potential competitive products which you may be quoting or that you are aware have been quoted to the end user. Please include as much information around competitor pricing in this section as possible. Please also use this section to provide information around other resellers that you may be quoting against. The next section refers to the end user target price and/or budget. Please include as much information in this section to enable us to respond quickly to your request for pricing. The last section is reserved for Steljes to update, and you will therefore be unable to upload any information into this section. Once all of the above information has been completed, please select the Register SCORE button and your score will be logged with Steljes. Once your score has been logged, you should expect to hear from your internal account manager within 48 hours with an update on your request.